Dear Nelly, we're back at it again. This is gonna be an exciting one, I promise that. You thought this channel was just about high-speed cameras and film equipment? No, apparently we're doing makeovers now. I didn't have time to really make a video this week, so this is kind of just filler content of us redoing the office / gamer room. And it's a video, that's for sure. But in today's video, we fix a desk, we build another desk, and then we also build a couch. And boy howdy, do I try to edit through it as fast as I can, because I don't even know why I thought this would be an interesting video. There's lots of fast forwarding in it because it's just not that entertaining to watch people build furniture from Wayfair. So try to enjoy. Okay, so we're here in the new, are we calling it the office or the game room?
Gamer room.
This is the gamer room, also the office where I work. This is my desk at the moment. It has some issues with it here. I'll do this part this time. May have just recorded this entire whole thing and then realized that the audio wasn't recording, so that's cool. You see how there's kind of like that gap right there in the desk? Yeah, right there. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be flush. So that may or may have not have happened when we tried picking up the whole desk to move it back slightly with the heavy monitor on top. That may have been the issue. I don't know. We'll never find out. And it may have made a loud cracking sound too, and I may have had to pound it in. The first thing we're gonna do for the office is fix this desk so, you know, all the shit doesn't fall off the desk or just break and collapse.
Yeah.
Other than that, let's take a look at Courtney's desk. It's not there yet. We're gonna also build that desk. We're gonna get a small little love seat to build here too, somewhere in this area. So that'll be this week's video because we're running out of time. Well, I'm running out of time, and moving in is painfully just a lot of work. So that's gonna be this week's video, is fixing a desk, and building a couch. Let's get some measurements. And the only thing I have to write is on a piece of cardboard. This is not a joke. We don't have paper in the house. So that's the desk. That's the desk.
Okay.
That part right there is 27 inches. Get a 2x4 and then 2 more 2x4s. So from the top to the bottom of the carpet, is it also 27? 28 and a half-ish. It's honestly like 28 even. The leg port is 28 inches. So the plan is to, you can kind of picture it, is we're gonna get one 2x4, another 2x4, and then that third one. Kind of do that, and then I'm gonna reinforce it, and I'm gonna drill probably here and here and here and here, and then probably either through this part or on the, trying to think how to describe it, on top of the desk down into it. Yeah, something like that. Well, those are very easy measurements to measure, and I also realize I have to figure out a way to cut that. All right, I'm gonna clap back to, I'm gonna do a really sick transition here for an editor. I'm gonna like do some sort of clap or something. Now I gotta cut wood, so I need this. Ta-da, can you even see that? It's okay. Yeah, you wanna put the saw blade against your stomach. Toolbox. There we go. Right there. Alright, here we go. Let me try to explain. Because this is going to be on the top. 28 is going to have to take into account for this extra like 1.5 inches on the thing. You guys know how science works. Man, I really do have to make this cut even. Hey, look at that. Oh, you can't even see that. I go back here. It's even. Good even cut for once. And that should fit under my desk. So it looks like this. Ah, see? These are a bit overkill for how big they are. I think they're like 3 inches. But I'd rather it not move. Again, it's not really much more of like I need it to be super strong. More or less just support and not wiggle as much when I get it in the side. It should be good. Hey, it didn't crack. That's all I care about. Oh, perfect. Hi.
Hi.
Not terrible, actually. It's kind of more structured than I thought it was going to be. All right, back at the house. Cool transition. Probably. Does she fit? Not around that keyboard, it doesn't. Oh, well, that's a good sign. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, she fits perfectly. I don't think I'm gonna put on a microphone for this because it's just gonna be me undoing a bunch of screws that I did before. Yeah, you can see this part's actually going pretty smoothly for once in my favor when it comes to doing something DIY. And I actually took the time and I put frog tape underneath the pieces of wood there so it didn't muck up or scratch up the carpet. So it's a nice smoother surface. But yeah, this actually went pretty well. Sorry guys, I didn't know it was 2016 where apparently after like 23 minutes and 59 seconds the camera just stops, which it shouldn't. It should just be continuously recording. But yeah, that's what happened and everything's been going well. Nice, nice, nice. I'm so happy with this. It's actually working. Yeah. No, that's actually really nice. I can't believe how well that actually worked. In my favor, for once. Now because I can, I have these little actual wood screws. I got the right screws, surprisingly. I'm just going to drill them on that back piece right here. It's going to get just normal wood screws. It'd probably be smart to take the monitor off. I'm tired. It's too hot. Oh well. I can't even fit the drill back here. Oh my God. I did not think about that, did I now? There we go. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, you want to see it? The 3-inch, by the way.
Perfect.
You want to see how perfect?
Oh shit.
Yeah, they barely fit.
Damn.
They're like snug though.
They look good though.
And then I put.
It looks perfect.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
It's still shaky, but it's not a shaky.
Oh, you need a vacuum back there.
Yeah, I know. Well, we're not worried about the vacuum right now.
I'm a little worried about it.
It's wood chips. It'll be fine. Oh, thank you. It's a little bit up there, but yeah, I'm very glad I got the 3-inch. She fits. She's sturdy. Now the time to put all the crap back. Now you're going to watch me do a bunch of wiggle tests with this, and though it looks like it's wiggling a lot, I kid you not, it was really bad before, to the point where I literally thought the desk was just going to fall over at any second. How's she wiggle? Oh, wow. Nice. We did it, ma'am.
Are you talking to yourself?
Yeah, for the video. Now to make that 5 minutes. And the rest of the video building furniture like 20 or something. I don't know. Alright, bring the box over here. Let's cut this bitch open.
Which one?
That one.
Wait, hi.
Hi.
We're making a desk. It's hot. Yeah, I should mention this part was filmed probably around like 10 at night, and we didn't get done till like midnight. And I had to work tomorrow, and our energy and attitude was just not up to par for really filming. So enjoy this hopefully shortish time lapse of us building a desk. Yeah, great content. Want to do the honors of turning it on? It's kind of hard to. I may have just turned it on. You just asked me.
I did because my fingers got stuck in the thing. You know what the worst part is? All of the gamer lights that you can see are on the glass side.
Yeah.
Which are on the other
That's
side.
okay. I have these gamer lights.
You do. I've got desk 1 over here. And desk 2 over here. It's kind of sad.
Look. That's pretty crazy.
Dear Nelly. Alright. I guess we're building the couch tomorrow.
You want to build it now?
It's 11:30. Fine, we'll go to bed. We're still gonna shower.
Yeah.
Drink some Blue True Moo.
No.
Yeah. Okay, here, do a transition for tomorrow. You want to cut open the box?
Hi. Did you do an intro already?
It's the same video.
Oh.
This is all one video.
Oh.
This desk, that desk, and this couch is all one
now
video.
Now we're building a couch.
There we go. Yep, same thing. Started out super happy, then you could watch as my wife gets severely disappointed immediately. But yeah, just building the couch. Nothing too crazy or riveting. So we're inside right here-ish. Oh, look at that couch. That's perfect, right? That's how we envisioned it. Oh, it looks sad as hell. All right, 1, 2, 3. It's
not terrible.
No,
it's not the comfiest couch, but we both fit perfectly on it.
I will say, it's better than the floor.
Yeah.
We could probably get like memory foam cushions.
Yeah.
It's comfier than that chair you have.
Yeah.
All right, that's gonna do it. Sorry there's no Ember video this week, but hey, I'm busy. What do we call this? The game room? Office? Office?
Yeah.
This is
Gamer room.
This is the office update. What do you call it?
What?
Makeover.
Makeover.
There we go. The office makeover. This is gonna be one of those videos that like I'll be happy if it peaks 30 views. That's it. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Yeah, that's gonna do it. Here's some final results of our beautiful work and craftsmanship. But yeah, sorry you had to watch something like that. But next week should be an interesting video, hopefully. Should involve the high-speed camera, so I'm excited about that. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching.